So throughout these lessons, certainly in the games, we will refer to things being a bull and a bear. And this is in reference to the overall market, but it also can be used to describe company stock prices as well. So public companies are required to release financial data every quarter and an annual statement. And we'll get into more financial statements in future lessons, but for now, we need to know that investors and especially professionals will pay close attention to a company's quarterly results. So bull versus bear. So if pleased with the financials, meaning the public or professionals, then usually the stock price should reflect a trend that goes up, called the bull. The name is due to how a bull strikes with its head low as it charges until its arrival where it strikes up with its horns. And then if investors are not pleased with the financials, then the stock price will usually trend down, called a bear. The name is due to how a bear will stand on its hind legs until it strikes down with its two front paws. So bear or bull, and that means up for the bull, down for the bear.